everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Presto application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Presto application on your Android, go and tap open your Play Store. In the search box, type in Presto and search. You'll be able to find the application right on this page, but if you don't find it on your Play Store, then simply go and tap open a web browser on your mobile device. In the web address bar, type in Presto APK and search. From the list of the search results displayed on the screen, you can click any website out here and download the APK file. But in my case, I'm gonna just tap on this APK Monk website and this will take you to a page where you can download the APK for Presto. Tap on the download APK button and tap on download anyway. All you need to do now is to wait for the APK file to download on your mobile device, which will only take a few minutes. Once the file has been downloaded, tap on open. Now tap the install button in the pop-up in order to install the app for your Android. Once it is done, tap on open to launch the app. And that is how you can download the Presto application right on your Android device. With your Presto app, you can manage your card anytime, anywhere. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.